Hello?
Good morning.
How was the night?
Yeah, it was fine.
Okay. I don't have much card. I just want to confirm when you will be coming.
Oh, Dad. I don't think I will still make it though. Something just came up.
I hope nothing serious.
No. I'll just have to reschedule.
Okay.
Okay. That's why I love you.
Love you.
And you too.
Hello?
Yeah, hello.
Hello?
Hello, good morning. I can hear you now. Hello.
Oh, okay. You are even hearing me.
I'm saying something now.
No problem. Where you don't reach now? Where are you now?
I'm home.
Oh, you are at home.
I'm home.
What's your time?
It's fast.
Very good. And you told me you'll be coming by 10 o'clock. Hey, don't do. Please. Start coming. Leave the house and be coming.
Can't come now. I'm busy.
Ah? You can't do what?
I'm busy.
No problem. Just be busy. Just the busy they go for your life. Oh.
Are you serious? That's an insult.
Wait, let me just make it clear to you now. Either you come now or don't even. You just the busy they go for your life. You can't even. As in, you cannot even attend anything again. Either you just come and attend this my meeting now or you just forget about everything.